The recent statement of our Chief Minister, Dr. Sunburn, before the Niti Aayog, that along with Carnival, Shigmo, which are related to culture of Goa, equating Sunburn to say that Sunburn has taken Goa on the cultural map of the world is very intriguing, disturbing, and very malicious statement. I think time and again Sunburn has proven that they owe government money which they refuse to pay. Even for the last Sunburn that was held in Goa, the permissions were granted at the last moment, and obviously they were selling tickets much before that, which shows that they were sure that the government is going to grant permissions. It is apparent that the entire fiasco of permission and holding Sunburn in Goa is a matter of corruption and corrupt practices of this government. And getting it to equate it to the culture of Goa is an insult to Goans. Sunburn is not the culture of Goa. Goa's culture is Goa's music, Goa's cuisine, Goa's people and sun and sand and the nature that Goa is blessed with. Certainly not Sunburn EDM festival, which has brought drugs culture, which has brought loud culture, loud music culture in Goa, and which is not absolutely the culture of Goa. They have the Sunburn festival usually at a time when Goa is having the peak tourist season, and entire business which is supposed to go to locals, it goes back to Sunburn. Entire South Goa, where they are proposing to have the Sunburn this time, every panchayat has come out for Gram Sabhas in open to say that such permission should not be granted. Yet the Chief Minister takes steps all the way and goes all out and calls them innocent. He refers to them as innocent and says that they have sought permission. What is the harm in granting the permission? Why are you trying to push such festivals on Goans when they don't want such festivals? Goa has rich culture and heritage, and Goa government can have state-sponsored events which showcases the culture and heritage of Goa, and don't take away the business of Goans and bring in festivals which bring in drugs. There have been instances of drug abuse-related deaths when it comes to Sunburn. There are instances where Sunburn has not paid the dues of the authorities. Now, in fact, Comunidad, which is the community of Goans, which holds the land and where Sunburn is being held, is before the court asking for recovery of the money, and they are asking them to settle the matter and pay lesser money. Last time when Sunburn left Goa, it was very categorically a statement was made by the promoters that they are bidding adieu to Goa. They are not going to be stepping into Goa. And what is the sudden love for Goa and love of the Chief Minister for Sunburn? It is surprising, or rather it is not too surprising why this love has come up. We are going to oppose Sunburn tooth and nail. Entire Goans have come together as united Goans to oppose Sunburn, and if the Chief Minister still proposes to have Sunburn in Goa, I think he'll have to face the consequences of wrath of the people, and probably people will not hesitate this time to come on the streets, because the way this government is acting against, or rather acting anti-people, it is shocking.